The billionaire.
I don't like the way that you spend money.
The billionaire.
Now, I'm pointing at 13.2 billion.
What's good, my people? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one was the inauguration party of the Koboko Entertainment. Well, I don't really know who owns that Koboko Entertainment, and a whole lot of celebrities were outside, from Billionaire PrinceWhite, Obi Cubana, Chief Imo. A lot of people, lot of billionaires were there, celebrities and billionaires, business associates and all that. Talking about billionaires, my last video, a whole lot of you guys have been dragging it that some of the things I see as motivation it's common things that are not supposed to be motivation. Anyway, we all have our different ways and things that motivate us. And also, don't forget to check out the description for Obi Cubana Motivational Monday for youth. It is very, very interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
I don't like the way that you spend money.
The billionaire.
Now, I'm pointing at 13.2 billion. All of that girl, 12.2 billion. I just bought them.
Hey, Jim.
I don't like it.
Don't pere.
You got the point now.
Yeah, the billionaire. Yeah, the upper teller. It's a tradition. It's a
Thank you, DJ Manfred.
The highlight was plenty there. It was an awesome night, and I believe that whoever this guy was is a big boy, because it was done at Federal Palace Hotel here in Lagos, Nigeria, and the entire party was lit. You know, you could see it went all local, ogene wise, cultural music, and even Humblesmith performed there. you know, like just bringing celebrities and businessmen together at the inauguration was something very beautiful, and I think it's something we should admire. Anyidon gave this wonderful speech, which I want you guys to listen before he started his performance. That it's always good that you support the Igbo music, support the cultural music, and it should not always be that we go after supporting or investing heavy money on foreign music. Let's look into the cultural music and invest on it as well. Enjoy the video.
DJ Mafi, my boss Abato Zora, that is the only man and the first man who is trying to send Ichaka to UK to go and tour. By next week, Ichaka about London, that is Abato Zora. Please, if you are put your hands together for him, must drop easy. He loves to support our own, and we are here to stay. Sister Precious, big Arma forget for the first time. Arma not forget. But I'm not my FNS and I. Please. I don't know if somebody name you know me, but I got information, that instrument again. I wanted to use it and I couldn't use it. Please. I want to know if we'll be there. And we must continue like that. If there is any problem, let's try and rectify that. Let it not happen again. Thank you. Are we ready to go? Yeah, it's not the to Jesus. Let's hear. Let's go. You just fuck that for my matter.